My name is Dr. Stacey Diane Arañez Litam. I am a professor, racial equity strategist, mental health therapist, and author of Patterns That Remain. Today's event is about building a community and promoting collective healing through the Patterns That Remain workshop, and also by reading the book. Readers are able to access an evidence-based framework to heal diasporic wounds, break generational trauma patterns, and strengthen relationships. The book does talk a lot about identity and why it's important, because so many of us as Asian Americans, and specifically Filipino Americans, we exist in the hyphen. We're always seen as Asian first before American, and we find out that we have to sort of establish ourselves and our value through productivity. But this mindset becomes limiting, and it impacts our ability to access joy in our relationships and also a sense of balance in the workplace. So the book helps folks unlock and unlearn the scarcity mindsets to obtain more abundance mentalities and ground themselves in a Filipino American or Asian American identity. One thing that I was really intentional about when I wrote this book was making sure it was for everyone. This book is for adolescents, teenagers, adults, older adults, and at the end of every chapter there are 5 questions for self-reflection and then 5 questions to ask your parents. So I'm literally giving you the tools to begin these conversations and strengthen the generational relationships we have with our parents and our grandparents. If we're not telling our stories, and we're not telling the stories of our family, our people, our communities, those stories risk being forgotten. And yet our identities, the way that we relate to one another, and understanding the importance of what it means to be Filipino, they're all folded into our stories. So it becomes really invaluable to tell them and to hold them with pride.